Tongzde Sarashoge Aurangabad Jorso Tongzde Aurangabad la Ajanta and Ellora the Tabud Nejaga Limba Tangong so saying to the bar gave us the Bombay train and Bombay the bus sleeper the Oshudu. What did you June Lemba? City of gates can you do the Gego Gasa Gego Mangudo, Gate Pemodo, Nemo Orange Gasa, Taker, Tsupe Ko, Gego Mangosu in Sarwa. Jungle Joso, that's the front desk. Jungangi Ming click Jungarish. The room pair would test. The upgrade chess or any room church test. And Junga Tsangma pair would do. So good to show just the Ajanta to the taxi tin. Cotton field. See, you can see a cotton Ajanta kilometer the getting issue. And taxi la to the need the Chagas Corona. Ajanta Niedoa. Ellora di saying Ajanta to देवा
वो जो अंदर का फ्रूट है तुमको बाहर कहीं नहीं मिलेगा
अच्छा
Come closer. Firstly, relax. Hindi or English?
English.
Okay. Firstly, relax and see this whole structure. Believe your own eyes. This is single stone. No joint. Front to back, roof to floor, just one single rock. They used the chisel and hammer, removed this all the rock and made this magnificent monastery here. And this work, they were not hire any slaves and labor, only masters. Because rock cut gives work speciality, rock cut gives working time. Masters and just chisel and hammer. And working time, they get only one chance. If they chance, they gave the proper shape to rock, it's okay. But something wrong happened, rock fell, no one can repair or modify. And second, if the masters start the work, so their family, friend, next generation, they do not have any option, repair or modify. They just follow their work. And they follow this work, depend on size, 50 years, 80 years, 100 years, 150 or 200 years. And totally 30 caves here. And this 30 caves period started from 200 BC to 700 AD. But the caves working had the two phases. First phase started from 200 BC to 250 AD. Second phase started from 450 AD to 700 AD.
Debrigi remudun sangma sazun re se sado in sarwa sado cha din zoni o shangye di thurop ni da dün paral shangyo re se do ene de la kurang se jena face ni do ji tambo 들어 니번에 니의 체가다 직상 안디니야 참으로 챙이서 디니 아니 들어 시의 체가니 아니 들어 된다 디값수 상조로도 안디라 차는데 도치그랑라 그네니 디 저부도 잡교래도 안디 댄서 친구로 얘기하시 그래서 모나스트리로도 온데다 독스캬바레스도 다.
And that story you can see in a Jataka tales. And Jataka tales some story you are seeing a Ajanta caves. And Buddhist caves have the two important structure. First structure called as the Vihara. Second structure called as the Chaityalaya. Vihara means the monastery, and monastery is one of the important purpose. The monks seated there meditating and night time sleep also. And monastery in the Vihara only for monks, not for the common people. So common people point of view, they introduce the worshipping hall. That worshipping hall called as the Chaitya. So Ajanta's cave number 9, 10, 19, 26 are the Chaityalaya, others are the monastery. And two important dynasties contributed here. The first was the Satvana dynasty. There's work you can see the earlier caves in the cave number 9, 10, 11, 12 and 15. And rest of caves work you can see a Vakataka dynasty. Vakataka contemporary of the North India's Gupta dynasty. So that's why this period called as the Gupta Vakataka period also. And this here you are seeing the painting, and this painting technique called as the team craft. Buddha, mandala here, and Shalabhanjikas. Colors are the minerals color, not a natural color. Minerals, when the red color come from the red ochre, yellow color come from the yellow oxide, green, it is the toxic color. There they mix the two toxic, arsenic plus copper sulfate. Blue is the lapis lazuli imported from Persia. White color come from the calcium carbonate, pound shell and pearls. And the black color come from the limestone. So these all the colors very well grinded, makes the trees blue, and then they fill a color in an outline. And then they give the three-dimension effect, color combination, depth and perspective. So cave number 1 to cave number 7 are the monastery, and these 7 caves, the two monastery are the very important. Number 1, 2, these two monastery you are seeing the painting. Other monastery very simple, hall, meditation room and sanctum sanctuary. You will be see there the Buddha in a Dhamma Chakra Pravatan Mudra. And Vajrapan. That's Bodhisattva mantra, you know, Om Mani Padme Hum. This Bodhisattva's mantra is the Om Vajra. Mahayana's monastery is different from the Hinayana monastery. Hinayana's monastery very simple, just like a national hall, meditation room. But Mahayana accepted the idol worshipping, so they added the vestibule and sanctum sanctorium. They introduced the Buddha's image. So this is the Vihar from Chaitya architecture. And sanctum sanctorium, you can see a Buddha. Firstly, you can see the Buddha sitting position. It's called as the Padmasana. Here the volcanic blast.
So after the
Volcanic
volcanic.
after.
Okay.
So that is the rock made the cave. And actually this portion is removed.
Oh, okay.
Original one.
I see. It's lava frozen.
Yeah, lava.
So the caves. The Tabudi,
70 million
the volcanic eruption jealous with the volcanics and the return methane torage do Odi Torsani Shugolani the Torsagyo the Tabud no the Tabusu Yoinsar.